Acerovax medication. Acerovax is a medication that belongs to the group of lipid-lowering drugs. It is used to treat conditions associated with high cholesterol, including coronary artery disease. 1. Information about Acerovax. Main ingredient atorvastatin as Atorvastatin Calcium at a dosage of 20 mg. Dosage form film-coated tablets. Presentation box of 3 blisters, each blister containing 10 tablets. 2. Effects of Acerovax. Atorvastatin, the active ingredient, is an HMG-CoA reductase inhibitor, which works by lowering cholesterol levels in the blood. The medication inhibits cholesterol production in the liver, leading to a decrease in total cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol. 2. Effects of Acerovax. Reducing LDL cholesterol levels helps to slow down and potentially reverse the progression of coronary artery disease in patients. Besides LDL cholesterol, the medication also helps control triglyceride levels in the blood, another risk factor for coronary artery disease. 3. Indications for use. Acerovax is indicated for use in the following cases. Patients with high LDL cholesterol levels, especially those at high risk of cardiovascular disease, including patients with a history of cardiovascular disease, patients with a family history of cardiovascular disease. 3. Indications for use. Patients with other risk factors such as smoking, high blood pressure, and diabetes. Patients with a history of cardiovascular disease. Patients with a family history of cardiovascular disease. Patients with other risk factors such as smoking, high blood pressure, and diabetes. 3. Indications for use. Patients with high total cholesterol levels. Patients with high triglyceride levels. Patients with a history of cardiovascular disease. Patients with a family history of cardiovascular disease. Patients with other risk factors such as smoking, high blood pressure, and diabetes. 4. How to use Acerovax is administered orally. The dosage and duration of use of the medication depend on the patient's health condition and are prescribed by the doctor. It is recommended to take the medication in the evening, with or without food. 5. Precautions when using. Do not self-medicate. Always consult with your doctor before using Acerovax. Adhere to dosage and treatment duration. Use the medication according to the doctor's instructions. Caution when using for pregnant and breastfeeding women. Acerovax may be harmful to the fetus and newborn babies. 5. Precautions when using. Side effects. Acerovax may cause some side effects such as headache, dizziness, nausea, diarrhea, muscle pain, joint pain, etc. If you experience any side effects, report them to your doctor immediately. 5. Precautions when using. Drug interactions. Acerovax may interact with other medications, so inform your doctor about all the medications you are currently taking. 6. Storage. Store Acerovax at room temperature, in a dry, cool place, away from direct sunlight. Keep out of reach of children. Note the information provided above is for reference only. For specific and accurate advice, you should consult with your doctor for examination and prescription of the appropriate medication. Do not self-medicate or change the dosage of medication without your doctor's approval.